Hey guys, it's your girl, Lady Lydia, and I am coming to you today with one of my favorite chocolate frosting. This is a fudgy chocolate frosting, and we're going to be using, the same ingredients that we would use to make other chocolate frostings. However, it is all in the technique. So I'm going to be using a stand mixer. However, you can use a hand mixer, or you can go ahead and use a whisk and whisk your little self away over there as you make this frosting. But without further ado, and to not talk your heads off, let's go ahead and get into this recipe. Guys, make sure that your butter is melted, however, that it is room temperature. That is important. So you're going to make sure you blend in all of the chocolate with the butter, and we're going to blend it until it's smooth, and then after that we'll go on to our next step. Guys, so I am adding in my powdered sugar, little by little. I want to make sure it's blended in well. Don't have your blender up high when you're doing it, because the sugar is going to just blow everywhere. But you can also mix in the milk in between the sugar if that helps with you as well, to kind of make sure it's not too clumpy. But other than that, you should be good to go, because as you know, we started out with melted butter instead of like soft butter. So that was our base, and with that, it shouldn't be too clumpy. But anyway, just continue to blend it until it becomes smooth. It's all gonna come together. By the way, guys, make sure that your milk is at room temperature. That is very important in this step when you're adding it in. I use evaporated milk. You can use whole milk, that is totally up to you, but I love the taste that it gives. Also, it's totally optional. You can add in a couple of teaspoons of liquid coffee. It totally enhances the flavor. Now, I did not do it in this particular recipe, but it's totally up to you. It's your frosting. Make it yours. Make it do what it do. right, guys, I wanted to just share with you also that this amount of frosting that I made is for a 2-layer 8-inch cake. So if you are making a cake maybe 3 layers, 9 inches, I would definitely encourage you to double up on the frosting. So you just double the ingredients and there you go. Because, you know, depending on how you're going to decorate your cake, that matters. And it's better to have more than enough frosting than to not have enough. But anywho, I really appreciate you guys for taking out the time and watching this. Please consider subscribing to my channel to help your girl out. And hey, I am getting ready to go ahead and decorate this cake. Thank you guys so much for watching and take care.